Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your Big Cartel store to Mailchimp. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see you have all the options that you can get started with setting up your store. You have the checklist right here, and at the top of the page you can see all the sections you can access such as dashboard, orders, products, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and get started connecting to Mailchimp. So what we want to do guys, go ahead and open up the official Mailchimp.com website right here and log into your account here, and then we'll be greeted by the main page as well right here in Mailchimp, and we can get started with editing and adding our Big Cartel store. So we want to go ahead and open up the Mailchimp settings by clicking on our profile right here in the upper right corner and then clicking on Mailchimp Home. So now this will take us to this new page where we can get started with adding our store, and go ahead and look at the left side of the screen where you have all the options such as campaigns and automatations, and you want to go ahead and click on integrations, which is the last option right here. Click on integrations guys and then click on manage. But you don't have to click on manage guys, you can go ahead immediately right here at the top of the page which is going to open up, and go ahead and search for Big Cartel. So go ahead and type in Big Cartel, and now as you can see guys, we have the option to go ahead and automatically sync our Big Cartel with Mailchimp. So as you can see, go ahead and select Big Cartel and click on get started. As you can see, now we can go ahead and get started with connecting Big Cartel, but for this guys, you can only we need a paid Big Cartel plan, so we will not be able to do this, but basically it's going to go ahead and show you right here how you authorize this. Just go ahead and authorize it with Big Cartel. As you can see, allow it, and now we can get started with, as you can see, we have allowed it successfully, and we can go ahead and connect our store to Big Cartel. But basically guys, we need a premium plan for that. But if you have a premium plan, just go ahead and fill out the info and you can get started. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.